Kenang bandang la susu ban aye ke jing SHAKRI ke babiang syaki pai ba nong shong shnong khamtam ki badan syaki NONGKYNDONG jong distrik BHOI kabalong ye ki long kemi ki ba armet bat ki ba kha khlung bat kum juru ye ki khlung khana banyo ye jing sumar ke babiang lengba ke jing don jong ki health sub center ha ke leng ki jaka ha ki NONGKYNDONG ki BOR distrik BHOI ha ke setarik unopra arajar arpoar kalaya SOI ye ke memorandum of understanding bat ke SELCO foundation ka bari ke kenhun ke bayarap ye ki shnong NONGKYNDONG da ke ba pensenai ki kamera ban penkha khlung ki ba kerpang ha ki sub center bat ru ban bu de da ki solar light kenang bakanam don kono jing thut ha ke bai de bat ke boarding electric ha ki jaka ajing sumar hagane kasngi balaya SOI ya ketika jingate laya SOI pada yang udah peti komisioner dari BHOI distrik Musri Arpit Upadaya bat ka Huda Jafar ka badai ke director jong SELCO foundation ha ka jingi sikhilang jong ADC ke distrik uba MB Tongper u district medical and health officer u Dr. P Karnari ka additional DMHO ke Dr. B Bla bat kumjuru ke nong mikmat ka Sierra Leone Ethiopia bat Burkina Faso Habayo menikran bat Deputy Commissioner dari BHOI distrik Usri Arpit Upadaya walaupun pau ke jingso kemen ke bakrau hadin melala ban pendep ya ke jingnya SOI MoU rengkat bat ke SELCO foundation namar ke foundation kan sawanra ya shibun ke jing mentoi nak menta jong ki pai ba bat ke bhakmat ya ke jing mentoi ke jing penkre jong ke foundation ban penshna ya ki kamera ki bakerpang nak menta ban penkha khlung ke balong seksionong NONGKYNDONG ki badan ni ki health sub center nak menta ke jing suk jong ki pai ba ha balet chim jing sumar ha balet kha khlung ke balong ru kat kum ke ne juk thamai ke bamenta
I am very happy to announce that today we have signed one MoU with SELCO Foundation. The MoU is regarding creating new maternal homes, maternal wards in our sub-centers. So these are the areas which are quite remote and the condition in which the sub-centers condition is quite bad. So now after this MoU, SELCO has already made designs which are climate resilient, inclusive designs for a good maternity ward. And after that we hope that it will definitely going to improve the health indicators and going to improve our institutional delivery in BHOI district. So this is in line with the aspirational district program of Niti Aayog, and we are quite happy to have SELCO Foundation with as a partner in us in our development and for the development of the BHOI district.
SELCO has the great mission to solar power with energy efficiency and sustainable built environment for about 25 health centers in India by 2026. In this direction, we have been working with Government of Meghalaya for the last 2 to 3 years, and we have solar powered in partnership with the Government of Meghalaya about 186 health centers, and BHOI becomes one district where all the health centers have been solar powered with energy efficient equipments. And now today we signed an MoU with the district administration of BHOI to design and construct about 8 delivery rooms. And in addition to that, we also have a partnership with the NHM at state level to build about 74 health centers in Meghalaya which are climate resilient. So by 2023 we are aiming to along with the partnership of government invested by the government to solar power all the health centers of Meghalaya. Thank you.